guys, what's going on? Coach Frank here at Criticalbench Compound, and in today's video, I want to walk you through a full dumbbell only full body workout. So this is going to be teaching guys how to train at home using dumbbells only. So we're going to take you through 7 different exercises, giving you the execution of each one, explaining what muscles they're training, how to program them and incorporate them to a full body workout, so you never have to question yourself of how do I build muscle at home if all that I have is dumbbells, because we're going to answer that question for you guys in today's video. So we're going to train legs, back, shoulders, chest, biceps, triceps, taking through this full workout. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is we're going to hit our quads, glutes, hamstrings. So this is going to be a dumbbell squat. Now with the dumbbell squat, there's a couple different places and variations as far as how you want to hold the dumbbell. We've shown you guys in some other videos before. We've shown you a goblet squat that's using one dumbbell, just holding the dumbbell here underneath your chin. I'm going to do a 2 dumbbell, just kind of what would be a simulated of the back squat. So getting the dumbbells up here is where you would hold a barbell as you're squatting. Feet are going to be, little bit more than shoulder width apart, natural placement, little bend in the knee, guys. Brace the core, and as you come back down, breathe out on the way up. One cue, guys, for squats is when you're at the bottom, instead of standing up, imagine pushing the floor away, almost as if the floor is a leg press. And allow that to be your cue. That's gonna keep all those muscles activated, keep everything engaged, really taking those muscles through their full range of motion. So first movement in this dumbbell only at home workout is gonna be a dumbbell squat. The second movement is gonna train the back portion of our legs. So our hamstrings, glutes, get a little bit of that back involved. It's gonna be a dumbbell deadlift. So utilizing the same dumbbells for demonstration purposes, guys. You get a soft bend in the knee here. Okay, I'm focused on driving the hips back to the wall. As I come up, squeeze those glutes up. Soft bend in the knees, drive those hips back. Really feel that stretch in those hamstrings. Glutes come forward, squeeze up at the top. Back down, feet secure on the ground. Blow out as we come up, squeeze those glutes. So that's our lower body portion of this workout, guys. Dumbbell squat, dumbbell deadlift. Taking it to our upper body now, we're gonna do a standing shoulder press. You can do these seated, guys. Obviously today's workout we're doing just at home, no bench, no dumbbells only. So I'm standing here, guys. Feet neutral position, soft bend in the knees, guys. Brace the core. Drive those dumbbells up to the top. In on the way down, blow out on the way out. Okay, this is working those shoulders, getting a little bit of the tricep involved as a secondary mover. Our fourth movement is going to be a bent over dumbbell row. So just like we did, guys, with the dumbbell extension, we're gonna get a soft bend in the knees here, bend at the waist, 45 degrees, and then bring those elbows back behind you. Full extension at the bottom. Core tight and engaged the entire time. Squeeze those shoulder blades together behind you. Almost imagine you're pinching your shoulder blades together behind you. Really squeeze, really contract. So one more time, guys. Feet secured, locked down in place. Bend at the waist, 45 degrees. Squeeze up. Now the fifth movement, guys, I'm gonna take it down to the floor here. This is gonna be our floor dumbbell press. And why I did this as a floor movement, guys, because I want to show you how you can do this at home if all you had was a set of dumbbells. If you have a bench at home, feel free to do this movement on the bench, but this is for anybody that doesn't have access to a bench. So what we're going to do is back secured, locked down on the ground, shoulder blades touching, top of the glutes, get a slight arch in your lower back. Bring our dumbbells up. And just like a bench press, guys, focus on bringing those elbows up and across the body. Squeeze those dumbbells together at the top. You don't need to touch. Some people will. Go where your body naturally, range of motion wants to go. So that's our fifth exercise. That's a dumbbell floor press. Sixth and seventh movement, guys, are going to be working our biceps and triceps. So Same dumbbells, obviously, for demonstration purposes. Like I tell you guys in all the bicep videos here, where do I put my hands when I do a bicep curl? Just where they naturally fall. So we're gonna pick our dumbbells up. Breathe out on the way up. That bicep flexion. And I've given this cue to you guys in a couple different videos here, but to fully contract, to fully maximize the bicep, why I really prefer doing them with dumbbells over anything is imagine at the top, you're bringing your your pinky to the outside of your shoulder. This is known as bicep supination. It's getting deeper contraction. So the bicep is flexion, also wrist supination. So as we're curling, guys, like I said, bring that tricep, pinky to the outside of the shoulder. So our 6th move was a dumbbell curl. 7th and final move is going to be overhead tricep extension. So the dumbbell's up behind us, stretch it, extend it back down, explode on the way up. Explode on the way up. And that's a tricep extension. All right, guys, so there you have it. How to train your full body at home using dumbbells only. Really hope you guys appreciate it and enjoyed today's video. 7 dumbbell exercises incorporated into 1 full body workout, guys. So take this, implement it into your programming, implement it into your training right away. But guys, what you do in the gym, yes, that is super, super important if you're fully gonna maximize, fully gonna build your greatest body. But what's also just as important is what you consume, what you eat and consume outside of the gym. So because of that, guys, we wanna give you a free gift today. What I have for you is our brand new delicious anabolic protein shakes and smoothies and a free Criticalbench shaker cup. I wanna send this to you guys absolutely free. All you need to do is visit the pinned comment down there in the first link, or the first link in the pinned comment, enter your information. We're gonna send this book and shaker cup to you guys absolutely free of charge. All you gotta do is cover the shipping. But really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button. But Frank Rich from Criticalbench Compound, we'll see you in the next video.